ready to send or receive money with confidence. Let's get your MoneyGram account set up in minutes. First, head over to the official MoneyGram website or download their mobile app. Look for the Sign Up or Create Account button, usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on it to begin the registration process. You'll be asked to provide some essential personal information. This typically includes your full name, a valid email address that you check regularly, and you'll need to create a secure password. Make sure your password is strong and unique for enhanced security. Next, you'll need to enter your date of birth and your current contact information. This includes your full residential address and a mobile phone number. This information helps MoneyGram verify your identity and keep your account safe. Now, for verification, MoneyGram will likely send a confirmation code to the email address or phone number you provided. Check your inbox or messages for this code and enter it into the verification field on the website or app. This confirms that the information belongs to you. Once your information is verified, congratulations! You've successfully created your MoneyGram account. You're now ready to explore its features and start making secure, reliable money transfers worldwide.